It's been a while since I've seen you.
It's been 4 months. We're obviously in LA here for 5 days and I haven't done anything with it.
Since you last saw me?
I haven't done a thing.
Okay.
I need some love. I think just something more. Just feels a bit flat, you know? Something that isn't too high maintenance.
Okay. And are you feeling like you still want to keep it long, shape-wise? Or we'll talk about colour in a second, but let's talk about cut so I can figure out the foundation that the colour's going to sit on.
I quite like the idea of still having length. But something maybe around here because this is all really, really long now.
I do love you with long hair though. I feel like you're a long hair person.
Yeah, I think long's good. And also I kind of like the idea of it feeling quite beachy.
Yeah, so not so blunt at the bottom.
Yeah.
I love the pieciness that you have here. Like that for me is the very kind of, when Hailey Bieber had long hair, it's those cool kind of bitty ends.
Yeah.
But, forgive me, some of these need a bit of love. Let's just make it healthy without making it blunt.
Yes.
That's the trick. Right? We want it to kind of be soft and bitty, but in a healthy way rather than a dry way. You can do some clever shaping and clever layering kind of underneath the haircut to give you more fullness up here and take away some of the bulk down here without making it feel thin. I feel like it should be like the invisible haircut.
Yeah, like I don't want it to look like there's layers.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, definitely got longer.
Yeah, the only thing that makes your hair grow faster is more sleep and more daylight. By the sounds of it, you're not getting more sleep.